So let's start out and do some more problems on expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. So here we have a problem that we want to express 1.35 meters as a percentage of 90 centimeters. So please note again as a percentage of 90 centimeters. So first of all, there is a difference in units. This is 1.35 meters. This is 90 centimeters. So we have to express them on the same number line, which means that I have to convert maybe 1.35 meters. I can write as 135 centimeters. So now I have to express 135 centimeters as a percentage of 90 centimeters. So please note, again, I can do the same thing. 90 centimeters would be considered 100%, right? Which means 1 centimeter would be considered 100 over 90%, which means that 135 centimeters would be considered 100 over 90 into 135%. And now I can very easily divide by 9, and when I divide by 9, I find out that 9 ones are 9, and I'll have, I think this is going to be 1 9s are 9 and 45, so I'll have 15. So this will exactly be equal to 150%. Okay, so let's try to do another problem. The next problem that we want to do is there are 50 men and 40 women. How many percent more men than women are there? Okay, so let's draw a picture before we do this. So here's a picture. Here are the men. So here are the men. And I'm going to have chunks of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So so each chunk is 10. The women are, let me draw the women here. The women are going to be 4 because these are 40 and the chunks are 10. 40. So please note we have to say how many percent more men are there as compared to women. So that means we have to consider women as 100%. So I'm going to consider women as 100%. So one way to do this problem would be that I'd find out that 40 women are 100%. So 40 women are 100%, which means that I can find out what one woman is. That's going to be 100 over 40. And then please note that this distance, this difference is just 10. So I want to find out what 10 is as a fraction of 40 or as a percentage of 40. So 10 is really 100 over 40 into 10, and this is going to be equal to percent. So this is going to be equal to 25%, as it had to be, because if this is 100%, if these are 4, then each one of them has to be 25%. So this guy is 25%. So there are 25% more men as compared to women. So let's say package A is worth 5 kg, it weighs 5 kg. Package B weighs 15% less than package A. What's the weight of package B? So here's package A, and package A is going to weigh 5 kg. This is package A, and here's package B, and package B is going to be 15% less as compared to package A. So package A will be considered 100%, and this gap between the two would be 15%. So we just have to find out what is 15% of 100, or we can find out what, because if this is 15%, then this has to be 85%. So we can directly find out the weight of package B. So now we just need to find out what 85% of 5 kg is, and that's just going to be equal to 85 over 100 multiplied by 5. So I can clearly divide 1 and then I'll have a 20, and then I can again divide by 5, so I'll get a 4, and if I divide by 5 I'm going to get a 17. This is just equal to 17 over 4 kg, which in other words is 4.25 kg. So hopefully all of this is clear to you now.